Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make when writing a resume. Mistakes that can instantly cost you an interview. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, spelling and grammar errors. This is the easiest way to get rejected. A single typo can make you look careless. Always proofread your resume or use a grammar checking tool. Mistake number 2, using the same resume for every job. Hiring managers can tell when you copy-paste. Always tailor your resume to the job description and include the right keywords. Mistake number 3, weak or no professional summary. Your summary is the first thing employers read. Make it clear, short, and focused on your strongest value. Mistake number 4, listing responsibilities instead of achievements. Don't just say what you did. Show the impact you made, like increasing sales, improving processes, or saving time. Mistake number 5, poor formatting. Too much text, tiny fonts, or messy layout will get your resume ignored. Use clean spacing, bullet points, and a modern, simple design. Mistake number 6, including irrelevant information. You don't need to add primary school education, unrelated jobs, or random hobbies. Keep everything relevant to the role you're applying for. Mistake number 7, using an unprofessional email. Emails like QBoy21 or Princess Love make you look unprofessional. Use a simple format, firstname.lastname@gmail.com. Mistake number 8, no keywords for ATS. Many companies use ATS systems to scan resumes. If your resume doesn't contain the right keywords, it may never be seen by a human. Mistake number 9, adding photos or fancy graphics. Unless you are in a creative field, avoid photos, icons, and heavy designs. They confuse ATS systems and may get your resume rejected. Avoid these mistakes, and your resume will instantly look more professional and more attractive to hiring managers. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job applications.